Hey guys, Ron here with Rising Sun Properties. Here's a property outside of Tokyo in Saitama. It's about a 30 to 40-minute train ride from the nearest station that is located to Tokyo Station. Warabi Station is the nearest station, about a 10-minute walk from there. It has been completely remodeled, so it is turnkey style. However, it was basically built inside of the old structure. It's a little bit of a weird build, kind of small, not a lot of closets, but built in the 60s. There are things that you might have to worry about still. So here's the tour. Take a look. It's about what was it, like $95,000, something like that. If you're interested in this property or other properties in Japan, please do reach out. We can help you from search to close. Here's his home in Saitama outside of Tokyo, 15.8 million yen, 98,000 USD, two-story, 2 LDK, built in 1963, 42 square meters of building, 56 of land, and just a 10-minute walk from Warabi Station. Hey guys, in this house here in Tokyo, and doesn't look too bad as far as renovations and quality goes. Unfortunately, as I probably mentioned already, the electricity's off, so the lights aren't working, but for the price and for the location, if you're looking in Tokyo, this might be a good home to consider. So we'll get on with the tour with the flashlight on the camera here and get up to the second floor as well. Kept saying Tokyo while I was there on site. Feels like Tokyo, but it's technically Saitama. Here's a Family Mart that's just right around the corner. A lot of people ask about the nearest convenience store. This one is just right around this corner. The home is down in this alleyway. You see all these homes side by side. It's an older home, but I think the new renovations were built inside of it. So inside feels pretty new and renovated, but it is an older home. It looks like there is some tilting, something going on with one of the doors. So overall, it doesn't have too bad of a feel inside since it is renovated. But you see, it's all these doors inside of doors. It's the same way on the second floor. There's no parking here. You see there's no real way to get into a car, but it isn't too far from the station, Warabi Station, which gets you to Tokyo Station in about 30 minutes. So a little bit on the outskirts of Tokyo, but still quite doable. See a place for the aircon there. Very modest kitchen. Tokyo prices are a lot higher than they are in other places in Japan. So if you want to be in Tokyo and want to stay on a budget, I think this is the kind of property that you would probably be looking at. Here's a hallway going down to the toilet, just one toilet. As you can see, everything looks pretty new. Using the flashlight because the lack of the electricity being on. And this door right here is not closing, so that's kind of weird, especially being newly renovated. Tells me that there might be some pretty hefty tilting going on inside the home. This door did close into the shower area. Here is the bath and shower. And I did take a look up in the rafters. It's really hard to tell because it's just kind of a box built around the existing framing. So all this stuff looks new. You can see the insulation up there, but it's really hard to see the actual structure itself. There was no place to look underneath either. And now thinking about it, I don't remember seeing a place for a washing machine. There might be a place outside that I missed. A lot of the older homes, the washing machine was outside. So that might be the case with this property. 2 rooms up here on the second floor. Both are quite small. Doors did seem to be opening here. Smaller rooms and no closet space, so that's something to keep in mind. Again, here's one of those windows within a window, which might help with insulation a bit. There is some construction going on next door. Kind of awkward getting that thing closed. The doors in here, again, it's remodeled. It looks like it was built inside of the original structure, which is kind of strange, but it's been remodeled and the door frames are a bit higher, which is nice for head clearance. So that's a bonus. Pretty quaint little place, but for Tokyo, it's hard to get anything large at a reasonable price. As you can see, all the floors, walls, lights in the ceiling are all new. That is a bonus. However, again, no closet space up here, so it would be pretty tight once you get a dresser in, a place to keep some clothes and stuff like that. So that's the home. And taking a look outside, you can see from the outside it does look a little older. That door, I guess it's not working anymore. It doesn't go anywhere. They just kind of walled that off. There'd be your water heater. It's new, so wouldn't need to worry about that. It says propane. There is the propane connection there. Pretty close proximity to neighbors, but I was able to walk around. Here's a look down the alleyway, just kind of get a feel for the neighborhood. See, that was a slider there at one time. However, it's not working anymore. They've just walled everything off inside. So there's a home in Saitama outside of Tokyo. If you're interested in this property, please reach out via email or WhatsApp. Check out our website for more information and to fill out the questionnaire to set up a free consultation. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.